the Elite Pro series from OPTEX. This is the first of 2 installation videos. In this video, we'll install the controller and sensor heads to an automatic swing door. Part 2 will cover configuration and detailed settings using the app. Step 1. Installing the OC907CT and connecting the loop harness. Use the hook and loop to mount the controller in the header. Connect the larger loop harness connector to the sensor connector. For double doors, connect another sensor connector as well. Now we need to pass the loop harness through the jamb. To do so, drill a 3/8" hole in the transom. Later, a hole will be drilled in the jamb for the loop harness to emerge. Step 2. Installing the OA607T. Decide in advance whether to install the door loop on the swing side or the approach side of the door. Position the door template with the template edge at the door edge. When the template is accurately positioned, align the 3/8" through hole so that it matches on both sides of the door. If through holes are required, drill a 1/8" cable door through hole. The approach side template hole must be perfectly aligned with the swing side template hole. Drill 1/8" mounting holes on the left and right for the OA607T on each side of the door leaf. On the side with the door loop only, drill 1/8" holes for the door loop cover using the template. Remove the sensor head cover using a flathead screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver into the left and right holes on the cover bottom and push up to remove. Now remove the template. With 2 of the 4 mounting screws, mount the silver mounting screws loosely. After fixing the OA607T to the door, tightly fasten the silver mounting screws. Position an OA607T on the other side of the door as well. Step 3. Installing the door loop. Apply the jamb cover template on the jamb. Drill 2 1/8" mounting holes in the jamb for the jamb cover. Again, only one side of the door will have a door loop. For concealed wiring, drill an additional 3/8" cable exit hole in the middle. For exposed wiring, the 3/8" holes are not necessary. For general concealed wiring, bring the smaller loop harness connector through from the jamb 3/8" cable hole. Wrap the wiring in the longer corrugated tube included as standard. Pass the loop harness taken out through the longer corrugated tube. Connect the loop harness to the side of the OA607T. Pass the door loop cover through the corrugated tube along with the loop harness. Fasten the door loop cover securely to the door leaf with 2 black mounting screws. Fasten the jamb cover securely to the jamb with 2 black mounting screws. Step 4. Connecting the door front and back sensor heads. Connect through harness in this video is left of the sensor. The location, left or right of the sensor, will be determined by the handing of the door, left hand or right hand, and door direction, approach or swing. Step 5. Consult the instruction manual under Settings in order to set the dip switches. For the detection angle, see Detection Area Adjustment. Step 6. Replace the cover on the OA607T. Put the cover on from above and fit it in. Be careful not to disconnect the cable with the cover. Install the remaining sensors similarly. Step 7. OC907CT and door controller input, output wiring, and OC907CT power wiring. Connect the I/O harness between the OC907CT door controller connector and the door controller. For double doors, connect both connectors. Connect harness wiring to the OC907CT power connector. For wiring instructions, refer to the wiring section of the instruction manual. For auto configuration and auto area settings using the app, see the next video.